Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to study the lesson number 4, a new lesson. It is a poem. We already studied one poem in second lesson, the town child, and I think that you studied that lesson very well. Then again, the same poets, one more poem we will study in lesson number 4. The name of the poem is The Country Child. In second lesson, Town Child, we studied already the feelings of a boy, and he is living in a town or a city. In that poem, that boy wishes or wanted to go to a village. He wants to live in a village. But here in this poem, we will study about the feelings of a village child or village boy. The second lesson, the feelings of a town child. In fourth lesson, the feelings of a village child. The country child, that is the heading of the poem. Country means actually village. Country. Country. Country means village, gaon. The country child means a child who is living in a village or who is living in a country. And the poet is also same, Thompson. And this lesson or this poem, it is very important to you. The lot of works behind this poem, and one by one we will study. Okay, we can directly go to the stanza of the poem. Okay, listen. My home is a house near a wood. The lands are so quiet, oh dear. I do wish that someone lived near. There is no one to play with at all. The trees are so high and so tall, and I should be lonely for hours, were it not for the birds and the flowers. I wish that I lived in a town to see all the trams going down, a tingled street that is bright with wonderful colors at night. Here, the boy, the village boy, he is living along the village. There he has no friends. He has only two friends in village. The one is birds and other is flowers. The birds and flowers are the two things he loves very much in village, because he has no any other friends in village. My home is a house. Here the two words, the home and house. Do you know the differences between these two words, home and house? Then for example, house. We have the houses. House means it is just only a concrete building. Concrete building. Most of the students' houses are concrete building. But the home means there is a members, including the members, our parents, our grandparents, your brothers, your sisters. The family members living together in a house with love and affection. That is important. That is known as home. The family members, they are living together with love and affection. The feeling is important. The love is important, affection is important, caring is important. Your parents are caring you in a home. Your brothers or your sisters or your parents or your uncles or your aunts all are loving you. They are caring you. So love, affection and care. Love and care in a house with the family members. That is known as the home. This is a difference between the house and home. Here the boy told us, my home is a house. There is no love, there is no friends, there is no caring, there is no affection. My home is just like a house. That is a really house. Nothing, only a building. No one to love me. I have no friends. My house is a house. Do you know the difference between the home and house? Okay. My home is a house. Then where is my home? Where is the boy's home? Where is the boy's house? The boy's house is at near a wood. W-O-O-D. Wood means a small forest, jungle. It is not a large area, very small forest area. That is known as the wood. Near the wood, jungle ke paas mein. My house is situated near a wood, near the forest area, near the small forest area. Then, my home is a house near a wood. My house or my home that is situated near a wood. Is it clear? Then, next, I had live in the street if I would. Actually, the boy, he does not interested to live in wood. He wanted to go to city or town. And his dreams to go to the town or settled there. There is a home or there is a house in the city. That was his dreams. But I had live in streets if I would. That sentence indicating in a bracket, mentioned in a bracket. Then the lands are so quiet. L-A-N-E-S. Lands means a small road. You know, in village areas, we can't see any big road, highways. Village areas only the small roads. The lands are so quiet. There is no sound. But in city, the roads are very congested. Traffic jam, the sounds of vehicles, the sounds of patients. Very congested areas in our town. But in village area, the small road and also the roads are so quiet. Quiet. Quiet means very, there is no sound. Calm and quiet. There is no sound. There is no vehicles. There is no friends. The lands are so quiet. Oh dear, oh dear. The boy addressed us. Oh dear students, oh dear friends. My home is just like a house. My home is a house. My house is situated near a wood. There the roads, small roads. The roads are so quiet. No sound. Oh dear. The lands are so quiet. Oh dear. I do wish that someone lived near. I do wish. I wish. I want someone there. Someone means some friends. I want some friends. Now I have no friends. I can't play alone. I want some friends to play with me. But in my village, there is no any other child. I do wish that someone lived near. There is no one to play with at all. At all means all the time. There is no one to play with me. There is no one to play with at all. There is no one, no student, no children, no friend in that village to play with. It's very quietly it's very lonely areas. It is not a congested areas. It's a fully isolated remote area. So my house is there. One saying, 4 lines. My home is a house near a wood. The lands are so quiet, oh dear. I do wish that someone lived near. There is no one to play with at all. Once again, my home is a house near a wood. The lands are so quiet, oh dear. I do wish that someone lived near. There is no one to play with at all. Is it clear? Here, the village child, he is unhappy. He is also unhappy, just as our town child. But he feels lonely. He has no one to play with. He wishes he lived in a town and would see the brightly lit, colorful streets at night. And he is unhappy. He wanted to go to the town. There is a colorful streets at night. The looking of the town streets very beautiful with the colorful light. So we can say the colorful streets. The boy wanted to go there. Now he was alone in his village. No one is ready to play with him because there are no children. He is alone. So he is feeling unhappy. This is a explanation of this poem. Total how many lines we studied? 4 lines. Once again I will recite the poem. My home is a house near a wood. The lands are so quiet, oh dear. I do wish that someone lived near. There is no one to play with at all. You should do one thing. Study the 4-line poem in your home. The next day we will study another part. Then we will send the some home assignment work also. So every line in this poem is important to you. Every line in this poem gives you lot of meanings and explanation. So the reading should be careful. Studying with the careful, that is necessary to you. Read the poem number of times in your home and by heart learn this poem. By heart this poem. The balance part, tomorrow. Tomorrow we will meet again. Thanks. Okay.